Hello friends, welcome to Excel in Career. In this tutorial, we are going to learn polynomial regression. You can watch my previous video on simple linear regression and multiple linear regression. In simple linear regression, there is only one independent variable and we have to predict the value of y. So, in simple linear regression, the equation is y is equal to a1x1 plus c. In multiple linear regression, there are more than one independent variable. The equation is y is equal to a1x1 plus a2x2 plus a3xt. Here we have to predict the value of y, and the multiple linear regression fits the best fit so that we get a value of y. So why we need polynomial regression? The equation of polynomial regression is that y is equal to a1x1 plus a2x1 square plus a3x1 cube. Means here there is only one independent variable and we have to predict the value of y. So here linear regression fails, that's why we require polynomial regression. So for example, here we get a data set points. So here we get a data set points and the linear regression model fit the best fit line. But here linear regression fails because of the accuracy. Here we get only 2-3 points are matching, others are failed. That's why we require some different regression model, that is polynomial regression. So we get the accuracy high. So you understand that why we need polynomial regression, because of the accuracy we have to increase the accuracy. That's why we increase the polynomial, that's why we use the polynomial regression. So firstly, here we also import all the libraries and we done the data pre-processing, data cleaning part. You can watch my previous video how to handle missing data, how to feature scaling is done, how to encoding categorical data. So you can watch my previous video if you have any difficulty. After importing all the libraries and data pre-processing part is done, so after that we have calculate the value of x and y. So x is a dependent variable, x is a x is the independent variable, that is the values that we get the numpy array, and y is a dependent variable. So here we get the value of x and y in form of numpy array, and after that we import the linear regression model and we call the class linear regression and we fit the x and y. After that we import the polynomial features and we call the class polynomial feature with degree 6. Degree 6 means the function will run up to x1 to the power 6, that is a1 x1 a2 x1 square plus a3 x1 cube up to a1 a6 x to the power 6. And after that we get the value of x poly, means we get the value of x poly, and after that we call the linear regression class and we fit the x poly and y. So in this way we get the value of y predict. Now, so in this way our polynomial regression works. So here we get the image, that is this is the polynomial regression. So it covers all the points, that is the accuracy is very high than the linear regression. Now you understand that there are different models and when to use which algorithm. I will be explaining in detail when we cover all the regressions, when we cover all the models. So I think you understand that how we import all the libraries, how we find x and y, and we import linear regression, then import polynomial features. So I think you understand that how polynomial regression works, and after that we calculate the y predict. So in next tutorial we will learn something decision tree, I think decision tree classifier, and in next after we will see random forest.